Welcome back to our channel, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, a product that not only brings the joy of gardening into your life but also empowers you to create your very own pharmacy right in your backyard. Introducing the Grow Your Own Pharmacy, Exploring the Medicinal Garden Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to help you cultivate a diverse range of medicinal plants, right from the comfort of your own home. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. First, we have a curated selection of high-quality seeds, each carefully chosen for its medicinal properties. From soothing chamomile to immune-boosting echinacea, this kit has everything you need to start your own herbal medicine cabinet. But wait, there's more. Along with the seeds, you'll receive a comprehensive planting guide that walks you through the entire growing process, from seed to harvest. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this guide makes it easy to cultivate your own medicinal garden. And check this out, we've even included a set of high-quality gardening tools to help you get started. From trowels to pruners, these tools are built to last and will make your gardening experience a breeze. Now, let's talk about why growing your own medicinal garden is so important. Not only does it give you access to fresh, organic herbs whenever you need them, but it also allows you to take control of your health in a natural and sustainable way. Plus, once your plants reach maturity, you can harvest them and create your own herbal remedies, from teas and tinctures to salves and syrups. Imagine having your very own pharmacy right in your backyard. It's truly empowering. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, soothe aches and pains, or simply connect with nature on a deeper level, the Grow Your Own Pharmacy, Exploring the Medicinal Garden Kit is the perfect solution. Like, share and subscribe for more.